Does your car interior look like a disaster zone? Crumbs in seat cracks, pet hair covering surfaces, dirt ground into carpets? Embarrassed when anyone needs a ride? The powerful handheld car vacuum plugs into your 12V outlet and tackles mess. Professional detailing charges hundreds to clean. This isn't a weak battery toy. It's legitimately powerful wired vacuum designed for challenging vehicle environments. Compact size reaches tight spaces standard vacuums can't. Between seats, under pedals, in cup holders, everywhere dirt hides. Multiple attachments handle different tasks. Crevice tool for gaps, brush for upholstery and carpets, wide nozzle for larger surfaces. Pet owners know the struggle removing stubborn hair. Specialized attachments pull out embedded fur. Long power cord reaches every vehicle corner. Small enough to store in trunks or glove boxes, always ready when mess accumulates. Perfect for rideshare drivers, parents dealing with constant kid mess, pet owners. Clean car interiors make every drive pleasant and maintain resale value. The link is in the description and comments.